you this development that happened when India clashed with Pakistan yesterday. India thrashed Pakistan by 7 wickets in the Asia Cup 2025 match at the Dubai International Stadium. But what is actually making headlines is India's refusal to shake hands with the Pakistani players after the match. Yes, it was done on purpose by Captain Surya Kumar Yadav and the team to send out a loud and clear message to Pakistan on India's stand against terrorism and on Pakistan, and the solidarity has been extended to the Pahalgam victims. However, the Pakistan cricket team were left miffed after the men in blue registered a thumping victory, and as cherry on top was soon seen after the match ended, the Indian players who were quick to rush into the dressing room. Viewers, as far as when we look at how Pakistan was humiliated when it comes to the head coach Mike Hesson, who was left fuming and cried foul in the post-match press briefing. Staging a protest and boycott, Salman Ali Agha also did not appear for the presentation and thereafter filed a complaint with the Asian Cricket Council. If this was not it, Pakistani team claimed that their captain was asked not to shake hands with Surya Kumar Yadav at the toss by the match referee, and Surya Kumar Yadav already cleared the air when he said that the government and the BCCI are perfectly aligned on this matter, where India has given a proper response to Pakistan, and that was it, not just on the battlefield but also on the cricket pitch. Now, as Pakistan goes crying and whining to the ACC after being snubbed, sources say it is in for another setback. As far as when it comes to no sanctions or action against Surya Kumar Yadav would be taking place for his Pahalgam statement. Sources say in the past there have been cricketers who have made statements that are symbolic and they have never faced any action. And as far as the handshake snub is concerned, now that Pakistan has taken it to the ACC, it is for the ACC to decide. But many are asking too if you can sanction someone for convention and not for a rule. Let's get in a word from Karishma, who's connected with us live. Good afternoon, Karishma. This royal snub, as far as to the Pakistanis is concerned, seemingly they are not able to digest it. But when we speak of Sky and the statement that he gave in solidarity and standing with the armed forces and the Pahalgam terror victims, what does it say symbolically as far as when there was a need of certain action to be initiated against him? Will that happen?
Well, absolutely no action will happen against Surya Kumar Yadav, because this is not the first time that any cricketer has used this platform to make statements of these kind. There have been earlier examples as well, and Surya Kumar Yadav, all he did was make a statement where he said that this win is dedicated to the armed forces of India, and that is stand with the Pahalgam victims, because everyone knows what happened in Pahalgam and who was behind those innocent killings. So obviously the Indian team making sure that the country knew where their heart and mind was, and that is why it was important to make a statement. Remember, Sanjay Manjrekar in that post-match presentation asked no particular question about this. In fact, he had ended the conference, but Surya Kumar Yadav took the mic from him, saying that I want to say something, and then went on to say that this is the perfect occasion to say that we understand the emotions of our people, we stand by the Pahalgam victims, and we dedicate this win to our armed forces. So it was humiliation for Pakistan on the cricket ground. They played really badly. Their cricket is nothing to write home about. So now they are focusing on other issues to distract themselves from the quality of cricket that they have been playing.
Right, but when we speak of these differences and rather the complaint that has now been taken up by Pakistan to the ACC, what are we expecting from here on, Karishma? Because the wider geopolitical backdrop that has added to the match's intensity, which was already high because of the competition on field.
Well, yes, absolutely. But there looks like it's going to be no action against Surya Kumar Yadav, even if we talk about the no handshake controversy, because it is, an internal ACC issue. And the fact of the matter is that it is not a rule. It is just a convention or an unsaid custom where captains shake hands after the toss. And post-match also, of course, it's a convention that they go and shake the opponent's hands. It's routine. But that did not happen because the Indian team wanted to make a statement, and they had every right to do so.
Well, a convention, and it was not mandatory as far as when it comes to certain rules and regulations are highlighting as far as India's stand is concerned, made it loud and clear. Pakistan defeated not just on the battlefield but also here on the cricket pitch, and also a royal snub that has been given to the team when our team, men in blue, decided to not shake hands with them. For the moment, thank you very much, Karishma. I appreciate you joining us here on the broadcast.